Hello, friend. Assalamu alaikum. We hope you all are well. Guys, in this channel, we discuss about technical things where we can earn from technical advices. We discuss in this video software development. In this channel, you will find more about technical things. We start our video. Please like and share my channel and don't forget to subscribe us. We start our video. Software development. Software development is the process of conceiving, specifying, designing, programming, documenting, testing, and bug fixing involved in creating and maintaining applications framework or other software components. Software development involves writing and maintaining the source code, but in a broader sense, it includes all process from the conception of the desired software through the final manifestation of the software. Typically, Typically in a planned and structured process, software development also includes research, new development, prototyping, modification, reuse, re-engineering, maintenance, or any other activities that result in software products. Methodologies. What is methodology? What is methodologies of software development? One system development methodology is not necessarily suitable for use by all projects. Each of the available methodologies are best suited to specific kinds of projects based on various technical organization, project, and team consideration. Software development activity. What is software development activity? Is identification of need. The source of ideas for software products are plentiful. These ideas can come from market research, including the demographics of potential new customers, existing customers, sales prospects who react to the product, other internal software development staff, or a creative third party. Ideas for software products are usually first evaluated by marketing personnel for economic feasibility, for fit with existing channels distribution, for possible effects on existing product lines, required feature, and for fit with the company marketing objectivities. In a marketing evolution phase, the cost and time assumption become evaluated. A decision is reached early. A decision is reached early in the first phase as to whatever, based on the more talented information generated by the marketing and development staff. The project should be pursued further. Students of engineering learn engineering and are rarely exposed to finance or marketing. Studies of marketing learn marketing and are rarely exposed to finance or engineering. Most of us become specialists in just one area. To complicate matter, few of us meet interdisciplinary people in the workforce. So there are few roles to mimic yet. Software products planning is critical to the development success and absolutely requires knowledge of multiple principal disciplines. Sorry, planning process An important task in creating software is requirements analysis. Customers typically have an abstract idea of what they want as an end result but do not know what software should do. Skilled and experienced software engineers recognize incomplete, ambiguous, or even contradictory requirements at this point. Frequently, demonstrating live code may help reduce the risk that the requirements are incorrect. Although much effort is put in the requirements phase to ensure that requirements are complete and consistent. Rarely that is the case, leaving the software design phase as the most influential one when it comes to minimizing the effects of new or changing requirements. Volatility is challenging because the impact feature already going development efforts. In the next video we discuss about software developer. I hope you like our videos, friends. Please like and don't forget to subscribe us and share our videos to your friends. We meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.